Welcome to our channel, where we believe that a healthy colon leads to a healthy life. Today, we are going to share with you 20 natural foods that can help unblock your colon and promote digestive health. So let's get started. First up, we have chia seeds. These tiny powerhouses are packed with fiber, which aids in digestion and keeps your colon healthy. Next, we have flax seeds. These seeds are rich in omega-3 fatty acids and also contain high amounts of fiber, perfect for colon cleansing. Moving on, we have prunes. These dried fruits are a gentle and natural way to relieve constipation and promote regular bowel movements. Did you know that avocados are not only delicious, but also great for your colon? They are rich in fiber and healthy fats, making them an excellent choice for digestive health. Now let's talk about broccoli. This cruciferous vegetable is not only a nutritional powerhouse, but it also helps to promote a healthy colon. Another fantastic food for colon cleansing is kale. Packed with fiber and antioxidants, kale aids in digestion and supports a healthy gut. Moving on, we have sweet potatoes. These tasty root vegetables are high in fiber and can help regulate your digestive system. Next on our list is ginger. This potent spice has been used for centuries to aid digestion and reduce inflammation in the colon. Who can forget about apples? The saying, "An apple a day keeps the doctor away," couldn't be truer when it comes to your colon. Apples are loaded with fiber and can help prevent constipation. Up next, we have papaya. This tropical fruit contains an enzyme called papain, which aids digestion and helps cleanse your colon. Moving on, we have turmeric. Not only does it provide a vibrant color to your dishes, but turmeric also has anti-inflammatory properties that can benefit your colon. Flaxseed oil is another powerful ingredient that can help unblock your colon. It is high in omega-3 fatty acids, which promote healthy digestion. Let's not forget about bananas. These delicious fruits are rich in fiber and can help regulate bowel movements. For all the legume lovers out there, lentils are a great choice for colon health. They are high in fiber and protein, making them excellent for digestion. Next, we have fermented foods, such as sauerkraut and kimchi. These foods are rich in probiotics, which promote a healthy gut and aid in digestion. Moving on, we have oats. These whole grains are packed with soluble fiber, which helps soften stools and promotes regular bowel movements. Don't forget about almonds. Not only are they a tasty snack, but almonds are also high in fiber and can help relieve constipation. Now on to a tropical fruit, mangoes. These juicy fruits are not only delicious, but also contain digestive enzymes that support a healthy colon. Another excellent choice for colon cleansing is garlic. This pungent, flavorful ingredient helps to stimulate digestion and support a healthy gut. Last but not least, we have green tea. This antioxidant-rich beverage has been shown to improve digestive health and support a healthy colon. Thank you for watching our video on 20 natural foods for colon cleansing. We hope you found these tips useful. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness content. Click the notification bell for you to be notified for another video. Take care of your colon, take care of yourself.